Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I have made a city in the game. So it's not complete yet. I have only finished some of it. As you guys can see, there are lots of buildings here and there. So I just finished building one school. So let's start from this house. So this one is a prime house by just the color. So it's not the shape of the bottle like we made in one of our videos. We made a lemon lime prime house. So it's not anything like that. So here in this world also I have used education mode as it was helpful for making the windows look good and a different type of pressure plate. So let's go up these stairs. So up these stairs I have some incomplete floors which we can't access to, and a few more houses which are also incomplete, and this is the only one which I did the most with the houses. So here another house is there I will be showing you guys very soon, so stay tuned to watch about. So the street name is, I hope you guys have read it because I am going to tell it in 3, 2, 1. So this is a speed street. Okay, so here we have a grocery store. So let's see what type of things it has. So this is how it looks from the outside. So it looks really cute in my opinion, and I like this building a lot. So in this chest we have things for building and destroying. For example, this loom for making banners colorful, and TNT. We even have underwater TNT for education mode, and in this other chest it's all food. So like enchanted golden apples are there and other things are also there. So I'll show you guys something funny in the animation when this person is eating. So you guys heard a burp, right? So after that person eats, they burp. So this game is using real life logic. So on these shelves we have some potatoes, enchanted golden apples, golden carrots, cookies, what is this? Some pie and cake. We also have other type of things which I won't be telling it out loud. So over here, I hope you guys have guessed it, and so this is, so those who have guessed it, please tell the others in the comments. So I'll wait for a minute. Okay guys, I think you guys have guessed it by the M. So this is the McDonald's. So I have made roads and I am using smooth stone for the other places which are not roads, and they're the foundation of everything. So I'll give you guys a look from how it looks from the above. So on the other side I've made some roads which are going to make other stuff in. So now let's view the McDonald's. So we have a big entrance for tall people and people who don't want to open the door. So here I've made a really cool design to make it look like there are benches which you can sit and eat. So you have to place one stair here of any stair of your choice, and then leave 6 blocks gap, and then put the other stair on the other side. Then in between of both the stairs we have to keep a fence block, and on top of the fence we have to keep a trapdoor. So we can keep any trapdoor of your wish, and even on the sides we would have to keep the trapdoors so that it looks just like this. And over here we have some spare chairs if the people need more chairs, and if they have more people they would need more chairs, so they can take the chairs. So here we climb this, and up here I'll tell you guys a little secret. I've covered this in yellow carpet as I have put lights underneath this. So if you guys want to see, you just grab another bundle of carpet. Okay, here it is. So you guys can see there's this shroom light hiding underneath these carpets. So it looks cool and it covers up the lights, so I kept it. So it's a 2-in-1 use. So what does this say? Welcome, order here. That sounds good. And so here the M badge is there, so around it, close by it, I have kept some items like the food item, cake, biscuits, and many more stuff. So let's act like this is an ordering thing. I hope you guys have seen one of those ordering machines near the employees. So this is for ordering here, and here only employees are allowed. So I'm looking at this one. Okay. So then over here we have storage things which we can keep recipes things, and I kept it in a pattern so that it looks like a cupboard. So you guys can see it pops out. So these are shulker boxes which I have placed. Okay guys, now let's go to the other place. So the next place, some of you guys might not like it, but I made it anyhow. So it is so guys, before that I was thinking, should I put rails on these white lines as I can ride on a minecart and go. So if at least 5 of you guys recommend me keeping rails so that I can go through them with a minecart, I would be putting them as you guys are my viewers. And those who are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel as I will be posting videos mostly weekly, and they would be very good. They would be adventures. So here so it's clearly written there. I hope you guys can read it. I tried my best to write it properly. So this is a KFC. So this is the reason I said some of you guys might not like it, as you know, vegetarians. So here I've made this common banner, black, and this common banner design. And over here also I've done the same technique. I kept the lights, and on the top it's all covered with carpet. So this is a little, not little, it's a whole lot bigger than my McDonald's. So we have lots more seating arranged for people to sit. Like this, you guys can see lots of people can sit. And for ordering, like in McDonald's, you have to go up these stairs. And here I kept these blocks so that people don't just jump off while they're going. So here I made this fancy type of design around these chairs over here on the corner, and on the top floor we don't have much seating. On the top floor we have as much as seating as in the McDonald's, actually quite a little more. Okay, Okay, so we have the classic KFC design. So I made the carpets also matching black and red. So we have, as this is a bigger place, we have about 1, 2, 3, 4 ordering machines, so that all our customers can happily order at the same time. So here I've written something, no entry, stuff only. So I don't care, I'm the creator, I will be getting it. So here I didn't do anything, I guess. Did I put lights there? Oh, yes, I did. So here also I've put lights, and for the comfortability for the staff, like they would feel this is a good place to work in if there were carpets, so I installed the carpet. So now moving on, we will go to my house. So this is also under construction. And what is this strange thing on the road? Let me see. Okay. Silly me, guys. I'll repair that later. So this is a go-kart. And we can even sit and drive on it. Boom, boom. So this is how it works, guys. So there is a steering wheel type thing. It's like a crossbow. We can act like it's our steering. So sooner in my channel, if this video gets about 30 to 40 likes, so I'm saying 35 likes, I will make a video about how to make a go-kart in Minecraft or Craftsman. So I hope I'm able to show you guys this, as I want 30 to 35 likes. 35 likes. And here is my house. So we have one cute little thing at the door. Hello Blaze, how are you doing? Where's the name tag, guys? Blaze, stand up. So guys, unfortunately I'm not able to make him stand, I'm only able to kick him. So here I've made a TV. This is a new design for a TV. So you guys can see some staircases are up and down there, and the Netflix banners there. Over here I've tried to make a phone, like in olden times we had a phone. It was called a LAN something. So here, to make it like they had wires, I put these trip wires everything. So let me see what I think they're called spider. Nah, let's leave it, guys. I'll tell you later about that. And here I will be making a second floor, and I'll be showing you guys soon. So there is one problem about my house. It's about my city, I mean. So it's a flat land, that's not a problem. So these wandering traders keep spawning in and disturb me while I'm making. So one of them entered my house, so I pushed him out with his llamas. So next we have over here, don't mind the glass please. Okay, so next we have over here our RGS school. So RGS stands for Roshan's Galaxy School. So this is the school I told you guys at the start of the video I was working on. So let's get inside. So there are roads coming up on this same pathway. I've not made it still. So the school is really near to my house, as it's right on the other side over there. Okay guys, now let's enter. So for here I have used walls. So these are polished special walls, and these glasses look very cool, so I checked them. So what does it say? Welcome students to RGS, as I have told, Roshan's Galaxy School. So let's move in. So first at the entrance we have this signboard, and over here we have grade 2. And before that, over in this end, we have the locker room, which all the children of grade 1 and 2 can keep their accessories like pencil, erasers, books, and many more things which they do not want to carry. So they can keep all their items here. And over here grade 1 is there. So here I have to make some more to separate this from grade 3 and the other one. So that's it for this floor. Now let's climb up the floor. So here I've made it like here you have a glass pane here so that it looks cool, and the children have 2 ways to walk, and here if you run and go you will hit your face. So here I have more glass pane, and here if you go and slip you will get hit. So you can walk like this and go here if you want, but that's dangerous. So here we have more glass and another staircase which leads to nowhere actually. So here I have carpeted this place because I have put lights beneath them. Not all of them have lights, only some of them have lights, as it would look terrible if all of them have lights. And for here also I have followed the same pattern. So over here we have grade 4, my grade. I study in grade 4, and here are some more lockers. I forgot to keep more lockers. 1 minute guys, please don't mind, because 4th graders have more to learn than 1st grade and 2nd grade. So let me just place this guys. Okay guys, I filled it out. Now over here the children can keep more of their stuff. So this is grade 3 and we fall into grade 2. So that means the students failed. Just kidding guys. So I forgot to make the floor. I will be making it in another time. And over in grade 4 the same thing. I have made some floor, but I can adjust with this I guess. So if we fall we go back into grade 2. And the other one we take, if you go in right and you go back to grade 1. Okay guys. So here we have more roads, very long. I have to fill this all in. That's going to take me a lot of time. So this was why I didn't upload a video in 8 days guys. Sorry for the late upload. So now that you guys know that I've uploaded late because I was building this massive city. So I think I should change this into a country, as this is very big. So later on in one of my videos I will be showing my complete city. So here we have more places to fill, and once we're done filling that, we're going to build something over there. So that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video and turn on the notifications.